Are you behind me making faces at me, asshole?
I didn't do a thing, you just laughed because it never does.
Hi, welcome to Mama Deb's Kitchen. Today I am making Scottish biscuits that my mama always made for us, or little Scottish cookies. They call them Empire biscuits. She called them German biscuits. I'm not really sure why. So I'm going to make those for you. So far what I have done is I have creamed together 2 sticks of butter and 1/3 cup of sugar. I'm going to add in, it says 3.5 cups of flour, which sounds like a lot to me, but I guess we're just going to go for it. 1 egg, and then what?
Did you read correctly?
I read it correctly.
You're reading.
I was going to say I read it correctly. I read it
Yes,
correctly.
you were.
It doesn't call for vanilla, but my mom put vanilla in everything that she made, so I'm just going to go with her recipe. So now I'm going to incorporate the egg and the vanilla and mix those together. And then now I'm going to put my little shield on, because if you've ever made cookies and you've added flour to an electric mixer like this, you can get flour everywhere.
You got white stuff in your face?
Shut up. Shut up. Let me throw some in the garbage. Look it out of the way.
I'm trying to keep a shot here.
Okay.
Fuck. How professional you are. Meanwhile, she showed up 15 minutes late to the shoot.
Oh yeah, I wasn't late. You were. It's the day after Mother's Day.
Yeah, that was nice to you.
And oh, you weren't. I was gonna say you would think he would have been nice to me yesterday. He wasn't.
Did you get put at home yesterday?
Yeah. Uh-oh. Dough, that's for sure. Okay, kind of a thick dough. I gotta do all that.
Big D.
Okay. I'm gonna have to set this up for rolling it out.
How are you never prepared?
I'm prepared, I just didn't want to have everything all out.
So it's not prepared. Look, she's fucking struggling to find everything. You have a kitchen that has a filing cabinet with papers in it.
What? I don't know where my rolling pin is.
Yeah, prepared.
Where would it be?
Keep looking at the same fucking spots. I'm sure
I
it'll
know.
jump out at you.
Oh, here it is. Okay. Let me wash it off. When Granny would bake at, I'm talking to my son now, my producer. When my mom, which is his granny, would bake at my Aunt Anna's house in Glendale, California, my Uncle Eric would say, "Oh my God, there was a flour explosion," because she was such a messy baker. And she would say, "Don't worry, Eric, I'm going to clean it up." And he's like, I hope so. Okay, so now, do what my mom did. Flour on here. Did that not look nice?
No.
Well, okay.
Fuck.
Come on, it's gonna break up. So we want them thin, because last time I made them here, AJ and Lauren made them too thick. And when these are done, they're like little shortbread cookies, and we fill them with raspberry jam, and we ice them with just powdered sugar icing. Powdered sugar and milk. And no, I don't use a cookie cutter for these. My mom always picked a size cup that she was making, and I'm kind of making these a little bit bite-sized cookies. So. Really?
Sorry. You have no control over your household.
Yeah.
Never have.
Idiots. You have to keep the hair up.
Could you imagine if you did that during their show?
Oh yeah, Eric would berate me. Berate me.
Who's your least favorite of the 3?
You, right now.
Oh.
Yeah. That's what he gets, huh, Eric? Dumbass.
Gotta bleep that one.
Okay. So. Okay, so I'm just gonna lay these out. I'm gonna bake them in the oven for 8 to 10 minutes. It says 400 on the recipe book that I copied from. What are you laughing at right now? Are you behind me making faces at me, asshole?
I didn't do a thing. You just laughed until grabbing dust.
Just
Grabbing these nuts. I'm gonna bake them on 350. I'm gonna stab you for 8 to 10 minutes, and when I come back, I'll have one of my sons help me jam and frost them, and then they can be my taste tester.
Yep.
Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. What are you saying? What did you want to say to me?
Do you know the difference between jelly and jam?
Oh, shut up. No. I've heard this one before from you assholes. No, we're not going to do that on my show. Do it on his show.
Alright.
Figure that out on a press conference.
Okay. What'd you say it again?
Figure that one out on a press conference.
Hi! First little batch is out of the oven. And see, you just have to get them to where they're like a little shortbread color. They look pale, but they're cooked. And I'm gonna let them cool for a second while I'm what's the word I'm looking for? Jesus, cutting out the cookies and putting them on the pan to make.
You're a
But
wordsmith.
I know, I'm not good today.
Mark Twain of our
When I come back after they're cooled, you'll see that I'm gonna put raspberry jam, just red raspberry jam, and I made
Why do you seem so overwhelmed?
the icing, and I colored it so we could have some fun colors with it. It's usually just a white like frosting, but I did yellow and blue, and then Eric will be my taste tester. So we'll be right back once these are cool. Don't make fucking faces behind my back. Welcome back to Mama Deb's kitchen.
It was a terrible clap.
Okay, who cares? This one's messy, so we won't show this one. So this is them. They're normally, I know.
My granny would have never let this happen.
I know, they're upset with me because I dyed the frosting yellow. My mom never did that, and they miss their granny and they miss their granny's baking, but just the important thing is, how does it taste? Okay? And I made them bite size. Aren't they cute though?
Put that whole thing in your mouth.
Does it taste like granny's? Tell the truth.
They do, yeah.
What's better, granny?
Okay, so we're gonna make Mr. I don't try anything. We're gonna make him try one.
Wait till they're cold. I don't think they'll like it right
Why? Because it's too hot?
now.
Take a bite.
No.
No, he has to take a bite for the show.
You're gonna ruin it for him.
No, I'm not.
Don't do that, I promise you.
Don't do what he says.
Oh my god, I'm gonna taste that. They're bad. They taste just like food.
Do they?
They don't?
Well, you're
Why? Because it's yellow?
No. Maybe because they're not cold. I don't know. Like I said.
Oh my god. It's shortbread cookies with raspberry jam in the middle and frosting. I'll post the recipe.
Mouth full more.
Hmm?
You should definitely talk with your mouth full more often.
I know. Thank you for joining us. I'll post the recipe. German biscuits, Empire biscuits. They call them all different things. My mom called them German biscuits. What'd you say?
They're called German biscuits.
German biscuits, yeah.
Father's Day.
Yeah. I don't know what I'm making next week. I have my girls' weekend this weekend. I hope everybody had a nice Mother's Day. I did, and now they're not being nice to me anymore. Again, thank you for joining us. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share.